Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have Polly Pocket. It has been way too long since we've done anything Polly Pocket. And this one is called Polly Pocket Pet Connects. Look at the little zebra or zebra. How how cute is this? I saw this, I was like, I need this. I need this as the adult. I need this. It is just so cute. Look at the little accessories that come with it. It's so cute. I am obsessed with Polly Pocket. I want to open it up. I'm going to show you. Let's do this. Look at the packaging though. And apparently it connects to the other ones. So they all connect. Do you see that? How they all connect? But I love the packaging. Look, its little ears. Okay, let's just get it open. Oh, yeah, I've ruined the background. All right. Come on. Do you know what? As I'm ripping it open, Polly's actually holding a stuffed zebra. Look at that. I love Polly Pocket, especially with everything 90s coming back now. Oh, okay, little clip. Look at the little coat. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I am the queen of throwing things. Look at her little, can I get them out? Why are they so hard to get out? There is the little hippo. I know it's so hard to see. And come on. Oh, look at how stuck that is. The little zebra. It even has hair. It has hair. Holy detail. It has hair. And her little hippo. Okay. Are you ready? I'm going to open this. Look how easy that one pops out. Like, come on, Polly Pocket. The zebra has hair here too. Look. Ah! I'm so excited. And I guess here's where it connects to the others. I am going to find more of these. I need to. How do we open this one? Okay, there we go. The little heart is how we open it. Oh. I'm so excited. Okay, put our little hoop on, my little key ring. Okay, look, the truck. Do you know who's missing? Where's Polly? Does this not come with Polly? It shows Polly holding a zebra. There's no Polly Pocket in these. These are literally just the pets. Oh, well, I need to learn to read packaging. I am now disappointed. I love it. It's super cute. But this is not Polly Pocket. This is just Pocket. And I honestly thought with the hair here, there would be something. It's not. That's just the background. It doesn't pull or push. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I wanted to see Polly. Okay, but it shows the little zebra sitting in there. So, I mean, I guess that's cute. I guess. And then the zebra can go into the water, maybe? Maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, the hippo. The hippo goes into the water. Now, this I saw. It opens up. And there we have, that's cute. I got to give them credit. That's cute. The tree opens and there is a little giraffe. That is cute. But what's the point of the comb? Why do we have a comb? Oh, okay. I get it. We have a comb so we can comb the zebra's hair. Honestly, this sucks. I would have much rather have had an actual, like a Polly. Why are they showing her holding the zebra? If we don't get a zebra, we get a zebra, but like we don't get Polly. I mean, here it shows like a pet store. You know, if I hadn't have ruined the packaging. I did a number trying to get it open. But like, you know, it looks like a pet store. And it shows them all. Okay, it shows them all clipping together, but what would you do with this? Do you guys have any idea? I mean, You just gonna rock the zebra back and forth? Is that literally all that you can do? Can you put, I wonder if you can put a poly in there. Does the comb go in the, oh, I'm disappointed. I really, really am. Does the comb, can you comb the zebra's hair? I mean, based on first impressions, this was like super, super cute. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I really am. Polly Pocket. Why? Why would you say it's a Polly Pocket Pet Connects if there's no Pet Connects? I mean, it even shows here, go to YouTube Kids, Polly Pocket. This is a legit, it's not like it's a knockoff. How can you have Polly Pocket and only have this little cardboard girl be your Polly Pocket? I mean, I guess we could cut her out and she could be Polly, but she isn't exactly gonna, fit in here. She's gonna be way too big. And what would you play with this? I mean, with a normal Polly, it's like a little world. What are we gonna do? Maybe put the hippo? No, the hippo just flops around in there. Can the zebra maybe get some water? Like, the zebra can't even get some water because the tree is in the way. Can the zebra fit in there? Well, the zebra can go hide in the tree. How many zebras do you know that hide in trees? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, maybe my disappointment is because I only have the one right now and I don't know. Tell me, should I even be bothering to look for the other ones? It seems like how much plastic and garbage there is just for this tiny little thing. And no Polly. I really don't know how you can have a Polly Pocket toy with no Polly. All right, well, that's the negatives. Polly Pocket. I mean, let's look at the positives now. It's cute. It's cute, but I mean, I guess maybe when you have all of them, they'll do something. This was fun. Now, does my zebra or anything, they have the little hole in the bum so they can clip on. But now I have a hippo in a tree. How many hippos do you know climb trees and hide? So is that even just for the comb? Where did I put the comb? Can the comb, I mean, that's the cutest part of it, using it as a keychain. Really, that's the cutest part. I don't know what to say. I mean, this alone, looking at it here in the package, absolutely, positively adorable. I wanted to buy it based on this. Again, my fault. I probably should have looked at the packaging. But nowhere does it say on any of the packaging that there is no Polly Pocket included in this. I'm sorry, I'm ranting on this. I mean, it's super cute. It's got the nice little heart. It's got the 2020 Mattel. Oh, this is older. Ooh, maybe they didn't do that well. It's got the cute little fuzz. Is the fuzz falling out? The fuzz is falling out. All right. You know what? It's a no. It is a no from me. I wouldn't buy this again. I don't want to buy this again. But maybe it'll redeem itself if I have others and there's more to the set. I don't know. I'm torn. Let me know in the comments. Have you bought these? Have you seen these? Do you need multiple ones? Did you cut out your little picture of Polly so that she can be, I don't know, like glue her to the back, I guess? I guess we could do that. We could cut it out and glue her. Cut it out and glue her right there. Because based on this, you're thinking you're getting a Polly. I don't know. Let me know. Should I buy the rest of them and try to fit them together and make something fun out of them? Or is this like a one-off? This was a bad purchase. Let me know in the comments what you think. I thought I was going to love it. I really thought I was going to love it. I'm disappointed. I really am. This is a fail, Polly Pocket. I'm sorry. This is a fail. How can you have a Polly Pocket set? And I know we're calling it Pet Connects. but how can you call it Polly Pocket Pet Connects and not have a pet? That's my final word. But you all let me know in the comments. That's it for this week, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye.